I have got some random data in which I got empty rows and duplicates. 4 empty rows in my data that need to be deleted before I can remove the duplicates. Press Ctrl G. Click Special. Then click Blanks. And OK. All the blank rows will be selected. Simply go to Delete and delete sheet rows. OK, now we don't have blank rows. 2 duplicate rows that are marked in red. Click Data. Click Remove Duplicates. Select All, must select all columns, then click OK. Duplicate values are being deleted and now our data is clean.